recently ran into a frustrating problem where my Google Chrome kept freezing and hanging during use. In this video, I'm going to walk you through practical things I did on my Windows PC that helped me to solve this problem. No advanced skills is required. Just follow these simple steps and you are going to solve the problem. To update your Chrome, open a new browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click Settings. Click About Google Chrome. If you're unable to find it here, click on Help and you will see About Chrome right here, just in case you could not find it under Settings. Immediately you click on it, Chrome will check for update by itself. And once it's done updating, you will see Relaunch beside it here. So you click on Relaunch and your Chrome will be updated to the latest version. Chrome Sync is a Google feature that automatically saves and syncs your Chrome data across devices where you are signed in. Your bookmarks, your password, your browsing history, extensions. So this simply means that if you sign into Chrome on another computer or phone, everything will look the same. Everything you have on your main Chrome on your own device, if you sign in using another person's phone or using another device, everything will look the same. This shows you that if anyone have access to your Google password, they will have access to everything you do on Chrome, okay? And one of the way this can affect your Chrome freezing is that when any sync data is corrupted, it can cause your Chrome to be freezing. Click on the three dots to the top right corner, scroll down and click on Settings. And under You and Chrome, if yours is on, click on Turn Off. When you turn it off, this will stop syncing temporarily. Another thing that can cause your Chrome to be freezing is when too many apps or software are open. So because Chrome uses a lot of memory to make sure it works properly, if too many softwares are running in the background, Chrome will definitely freeze. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This will open your task manager, okay? Under Processes, you are going to look at the memory percentage column. If your memory usage is 80% or higher, Chrome will definitely freeze. So to fix this, right-click any app you are not using, click End Task. Do this for the rest of the software or apps you are not using. Right-click on them, click End Task. Once you are done closing all the softwares you are not using, restart your computer. Each open tabs uses a lot of memory, so having too many tabs open can slow your Chrome down or can make it to freeze, okay? So on your browser, make sure you close any tab you are not using. Another thing you can do is, if you feel that the tabs you are using are very important, you don't want to close them, what I will advise to do is to bookmark them, okay? So click on the three dots, click the bookmarks and list. You can decide to bookmark all the tab or you can bookmark only this particular tab. So go ahead and click on bookmark this tab, name your bookmark, click the drop down to pick a folder where you want it to be saved. Click choose another folder, click new folder, name your folder, click save. To check your saved folder, click the three dots again, click bookmark and list, click bookmark manager, click the folder where you save it and you can see your bookmark is right here, okay? To open it up, just double click on it, click again and the page will be open for you. This way, you do not have so many tabs open again, okay? And to delete any bookmark, just simply right click and click on delete. The next thing we need to turn off is hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics card, which is GPU, instead of the CPU to handle tasks like loading your web pages, playing videos, and rendering animations. When this happens, Chrome may freeze and show black screen or even crash because the GPU fails to process tasks correctly, okay? So for us to fix this, click on the three dots again, click on Chrome Settings, click System, turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then restart your Chrome. But if your system is capable, just turn it on and relaunch it again, okay? The next thing we need to do is to clear your Chrome cache and temporary files. Chrome saves temporary files to load web faster. Over time, these files can cause problems. So to fix this, click on Chrome settings again, click privacy and security, click clear browsing data. Now go ahead and check images and files alone, okay? Click clear data. Chrome extensions are small add-on programs that add extra features or functionality to your Chrome browser. So because extensions run in the background, even when they are not being used, this can cause your Chrome to freeze. Click Extensions, click Manage Extensions. Here you will find all the extensions that are available for your Chrome. So you can click on details for you to read more about what the extensions is all about. Like this particular extension, I really don't know how it gets here and I don't know what it's used for. So I'm going to remove it. So go ahead and click on remove and click on remove again. Do the same for any extension you can see here that you don't recognize or you don't know the use, okay? The next thing we need to check for is viruses or unwanted softwares, okay? Go to your settings, click reset settings, click restore settings to their original default. This will now reset your Chrome without deleting your bookmarks, your password, or even your history. The next thing you need to do is to free up your computer space. When your computer storage is almost full or your C drive is nearly full, Chrome don't have enough space to work properly. For best performance, keep at least 10 to 15 gigabytes free on your C drive, okay? To learn more about how to free up your system, check the video above here. Another fix we need to look into is to stop too many pages from opening at the startup, okay? When Chrome opens, it loads all the pages set to open at startup. So for someone who have several or heavy websites open, the moment you open your Chrome, all of them are going to load at the same time, and this can cause your Chrome to freeze or not responding until all those pages are finished loading. Click on startup, select open the new tab page. Now whenever Chrome starts, it will load faster and it will only load the page you are opening. Another major problem that can cause your Chrome to freeze is if your laptop is outdated. So open your laptop settings, click window updates. Now click on check for updates. If there's an update, go ahead and update your laptop. Then restart your PC. And if nothing works after all these steps, your Chrome may have been damaged. Just uninstall it, download and reinstall it again. Most Chrome freezing problem can be fixed using these steps I've shown you in this video. And if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section which fix works for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this. Bye.